Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Digit account. Now if you decide that Digit is no longer the right saving tool for you, deleting your account is straightforward and secure. Before you begin, you got to make sure to withdraw any funds that you have saved in Digit back to your linked bank account, as you know, deleting your account is going to close all your savings and remove your data. So to delete your Digit account, all you got to do is open the Digit app, or you can choose to log into the web dashboard. But once you're in, navigate to the settings or account section, where you're going to find the option to delete accounts or to close accounts. Digit will then prompt you to confirm your decision and may ask for your password or a verification code to ensure that it's really you making the request. Once confirmed, your account and all personal data will be permanently deleted from Digit's system according to their privacy policy. Keep in mind that this action cannot be undone, so double check that you have saved any needed data or transactions records before proceeding. If you have any issues or questions during the process, Digit's customer support is available to help. Deleting your account is a serious step, but it's designed to be as simple and secure as possible for your peace of mind. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Digit tips, like the video, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. See you guys in the next one.